and thanks for clicking on my video. Stay tuned to find out how I created this frozen look. So now you've got a good look at these models, I can show you what you'll need and how to recreate this look. I'm going to show you my hot glue technique on this kit bashed Manfred. I'm not going to focus on the painting of the actual model in this video because it doesn't really matter how you want to do the base. I'll post a separate video of how to paint a model from scratch, but I can tell you the colours that I use for these guys. The most important colour for this video is the Vallejo colour shifting paint. I used the turquoise violet one. I also used white and turquoise Vallejo paints. If you're wondering what I used for the horse, it was Liquitex Acrylic Basics Alizarin Crimson and some black. Oh, and a little touch of rosy flesh on the skin. For the ice, you'll need a hot glue gun and some glue sticks. I used a horse from a Dreadblade Harrow, as you can see here. I just removed the rider and stuck on Manfred. He's left over from building Arcan the Black. I thought maybe I could use him as a vampire lord or a knight. Taking any brush, I'm just going to mix up some Vallejo colour shift turquoise and violet and white, approximately 50-50, and put that to the side. To make the icicles, it's super simple. You just take your glue gun and go up and down in a vertical motion to create drops. The glue will drip down like an icicle. I'm putting it on the tips and the pointy bits where you might expect water to flow. If you get thin little wispy bits that look a bit like spider webs, you can just pull those off and leave the thicker bits for icicles. Now I'm taking the paint that I just mixed and covering the biggest blobs of glue. And I'm going to go up and down the icicles a little bit to make them stand out. finally, I'm going to add a few highlights with the colour shift paint to add a frosty sparkle. And you're done. If you have any questions or if you liked it, comment below. Give me a subscribe if you want to see more Warhammer videos, like how to paint in the style of this Neferata. I'm planning to make a video tutorial on my kind of grimdark horses that you might see Manfred on now, which I'll link here, maybe. Thank you guys, and have a nice day.